Hello everyone, welcome to our tech update. Today we are discussing a potentially controversial move from the openSUSE family of Linux distributions, a proposal that could affect users with older hardware. Let's dive right in. openSUSE, renowned for its rock-solid stability and flexible system management tools, is known for continually evolving its technology. Recently, the team made headlines by switching Tumbleweed to SE Linux, leaving Apamo behind. Now, another major change is on the horizon. A post by openSUSE Leap release manager Lou Bosch-Kochman on the openSUSE factory mailing lists revealed that SUSE is evaluating the drop of legacy boot support. This proposal is being pitched as part of the upcoming SUSE Linux Enterprise Server 16 and openSUSE Leap 16 releases. The argument centers on the fact that devices meeting the x86-64-V2 architecture requirement are generally expected to support UEFI, a modern and secure alternative to legacy BIOS. However, not everyone is on board with this change. With this proposed shift, users relying on older hardware could find themselves in a tough spot. Many of these systems, which were significant investments at the time, might no longer receive official support. There's also growing concern among professionals running virtual machines in environments where legacy BIOS remains the only viable option. Amid the debate, an interesting suggestion came from John Paul Adrian Glaubitz of SUSE. He mentioned he'd be willing to work on an unofficial open SUSE distribution, catering to older or more exotic architectures. This could serve as a middle ground if the community's concerns push back against dropping legacy support. Despite the heated discussion, it's important to note that this change is still in the evaluation phase. For now, openSUSE Tumbleweed, the rolling release version, remains unaffected by these potential adjustments. So, should users of older hardware be worried? The final decision is yet to be made, and there's still time for community feedback to influence the outcome. If you depend on legacy BIOS systems, it might be worth joining the conversation and voicing your concerns on the openSUSE mailing lists or forums. That wraps up today's update. We'll continue to monitor this story closely and bring you the latest developments. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tech news.